Have you been looking for a modern high ceiling floor plan? Well, in today's home tour, I'm taking you to Grand Prairie community here in Hockley, Texas. We are only 35 minutes away from downtown Houston, and we're checking out this 60-feet home by Westin. This floor plan is called the Carter. Guys, welcome to this week's home tour, and I can't wait for you guys to check out this floor plan. Let me know in the comment section how you feel. Come on in. If you're new to the channel, my name is Solomon Sage. I'm a local real estate agent here in Houston, Texas. Guys, if you're out there and you're thinking about relocating to Houston, whether it's in 9 days or 90 days, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. My team and I will be more than happy to help you make a smooth move to Houston, Texas. Now, if you also do enjoy home tour videos like this one, guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And also, that helps me and motivates me to go around town and find you some of the best floor plan Houston, Texas and its builders have to offer. Let me know in the comment section how you feel about this one, and I will see you in the end. I thank you guys for staying all the way to the end. I hope you did enjoy this home tour. Again, if you're thinking about relocating here, or you like this floor plan and you would like to tour it, hit me up. My contact information will be in the description below, and my team and I will be more than happy to help you make a smooth move here or come tour this home. All right, guys, so I'll see you guys on the next one. Do not forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. With that being said, I'll see you on the next one.